They say change is constant, but the persistence of ignorance about waste management seems to refuse in this saying. Waste plays a big role in our everyday life. After we get what we want, they are the one who's left behind. Waste is a material or substance that's no longer useful. Buying new clothes, essentials, etc. online is practiced lately due to pandemic, and receiving it with bubbles and plastic wraps is a necessity for the safety of the packages. But the story afterwards remains unheard. As a consumer, seller, and a part of the community, it's your responsibility to be knowledgeable about waste management and save lives.
Let me give you some knowledge about different variations of waste. There are residential waste, industrial, commercial, institutional, construction and demolition debris, and municipal services. You should be aware that poor waste management can lead to clogging of waterways that causes floods, fish kills due to oxygen deprivation in water bodies. It also lessens the growth of mangroves, harmful to the health of people living near the landfills, and many more.
Proper waste management disposal is one of the longest problems in our country. Based on the data from the Solid Waste Management Plan, as of 2008 to 2013 available information, there is 56.7% of residential waste that contributes to the municipal solid waste collected regional.
Biodegradable waste comprises 52.31%, or about a half of the composition of municipal solid waste in the Philippines. Furthermore, based on the data, the yearly amount of solid waste in the Philippines is expected to increase from 13.48 million tons in 2010 to 14.66 million tons in 2014 to 16.64 million tons in 2020.
The massive problem of improper waste disposal, inefficient waste collection, and lack of disposal facilities, especially in urban areas like Metro Manila, has affected our environment and contributed to solid waste pollution. Improper solid waste management leads to different harmful effects on our environment and to the community. Aside from that, this could also affect our health, especially those who are near dumping areas where improper protocols are constantly practiced.
Why don't we start by educating ourselves about the effects of solid waste in our environment? We as a part of the community should also contribute in managing our own solid waste.
As an advocate, we encourage everyone to commit to keeping your community, household, and environment better. Learning the 3 types of waste management, such as landfills, recycling, and composting, is a start. Knowing what to throw away in the bin, in the soil, and recycle will help in lessening our waste disposals.
We could start by organizing our waste by practicing proper segregation. Then, committing to practice the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover in our homes. By doing this, we can lessen the solid waste being collected from our household. Organic and inorganic waste should be dumped in a separate bin because organic waste can still be used as organic fertilizers.
Be the start of change.
Break the stigma, educate yourself so you can educate others.
Ignorance will mislead you.
Our actions today reflect our future.
What future could we give to a younger generation if we can address the growing problem in taking care of our environment?
When will we start? We say now.
We must take the first step and work together towards a healthy environment.
For nature and society to live in a safe place.
Let our future be clean
clean
again.
again.